provides us with these great little pens on every page. So
Go lose them someplace nice.
enjoy them. Anyway, my name is Steve Love. I know most of you. I've run Aria for the last 20 plus years here, and also for the past several years in Las Vegas. We meet here on the first, well, we meet here every Wednesday at 11, as you know. The only requirement is you buy lunch. In Vegas, we meet every Thursday at the restaurant there. I can't remember, but we meet there on the 4th, in the evening, our regular meeting on the 4th Wednesday of every month. And then our next meeting will be next Wednesday in Las Vegas.